I'm building a bedroom set in my small garage workshop. Wanted to give you guys a quick progress update and show you around my shop a little bit. First thing, this is the carcass for the tall dresser that'll have 5 drawers in it. Turned out pretty good, pretty happy with it. Solid white oak for the legs, plywood for the sides. Did pocket hole construction on some of it, and then dowels in some of the rails and legs, but pretty happy with the carcass so far. The only thing is I did a 1/4 of an or a 1/4 inch thick back piece for the plywood, stapled and glued. But I noticed if I just pick it up slightly, I can get a slight twist. But I think that's kind of common, so I'm not a huge problem, but I wish I had none. But dropped my Craig jig while I was working on it. I had this Craig jig for like 10 years. I broke the pad, the clamp pad, but I was able to 3D print a new one, which was kind of cool. First time I used my 3D printer for something actually that I would have went out and bought. I had to put a little tape on there to make it fit properly, but no, not a big deal. The other kind of issue I ran into was when I was cutting all these rails, I was getting a slight bit of tear out. I don't know if I can find some. Oh yeah, just a slight bit of tear out that I really didn't like. And I was cutting that on my miter saw. So I went ahead and made a 0 clearance insert and then threw some backs on there on the fence, so it would be 0 clearance too. But then I think the key thing is I went out and got a new blade, and now I actually don't think I even need those backs on the fence, but that improved things there. Let's see, this is the carcass for the wide dresser. It's hard to see with all the clutter in here, but this is going to be a wide dresser with 8 drawers in it. I'll have a center support, but that one's in the middle of being put together. You can see one of the sides over here. But yeah, then here's some of my tools. That's the doweling jig I've been using. Kind of got a bit of a mess around here, but happy with how things are going. Next up, hopefully I'll get these carcasses together, and then we'll start making drawers. I got my drawer pulls over here in the mail the other day, or not drawer pulls, but drawer slides from Accuride. They're soft close, never used them before, but for my research, I think they'll work pretty well. And then, let's see, oh, the other thing, I'm trying to debate if I want to take time and use this dovetail jig on my drawers, or if it's really necessary. I think it'd look cool and make it look professional, but I just don't know if I want to take the time for all the drawers I want to make. What would you guys do? Love to know. That's it. Yeah, give me any feedback, any construction stuff you think I could change or do better. I know pocket holes aren't loved by very many people, but they're quick and easy and work pretty well. But I'm curious what you guys would have done differently. Thanks.